This is Angela from Ewon Support. In this video, we will look at the user rights available on Ewon Industrial VPN routers. When a user wants to work with an Ewon, for example, use its web interface to adjust configuration settings, or reach its FTP server to retrieve files, the user must log into the Ewon. The login used is local to the Ewon and separate from any Talk to M credentials a user might have. Managing the rights associated with these local users is an important part of an organization's security policy. Since different Ewon products offer different services, each product has its own level of access rights available. The Ewon Cozy is our dedicated remote access device. As it does not have the data services available in other Ewon products, there is only one user available for the Cozy, the administrator user with login ADM. Anyone who navigates to the Cozy's web interface can reach the status page, but only the ADM user can reach the information page to see diagnostic information, or reach the settings page to change the configuration. The ADM user is also the only one who can make and restore backups and upgrade and downgrade firmware through eBuddy. It is important to change the ADM user's password from the system default. Instructions for changing the password are available in our other videos. The Ewon Flexi and CD offer other services in addition to remote access. As a result, you can create additional users for these products and assign appropriate user rights. Managing the users can be done from the user's setup menu. From the main menu, select Configuration, User Setup. Then click on Create New User, or click on the correct link to modify a user. In the Rights section of the User Setup screen, you can select which user rights should be granted to this user. For instance, you can restrict whether they can see or change tag values on the View I/O page, acknowledge alarms, and modify the Ewon's configuration. You can also limit which tags they can see and limit access to the subdirectories in the user portion of the Ewon's file system. Detailed information about each of these user rights is available on our support site. Once you've configured the rights, click Add Update to save your changes. The Ewon Flexi and CD come with a default administrator user, ADM, like the Cozy. As on the Cozy, the ADM user not only has full rights to manage the Ewon's configuration, it also is the only user who can perform certain maintenance functions, like firmware upgrades through eBuddy. As a result, it is important to change the ADM user's password from the system default. Instructions for changing the password are available in our other videos.